In this video, I will show you how to download your pick list for your pending daily orders. So in OneCart, we have three formats for your pick lists. We have the SKU list, the image list, and the Excel, downloadable Excel. So let's go through each of these formats. Under process orders, arrange shipping. So the first format would be the image list. So under download orders for warehouse, consolidated image picking list would give you your consolidated, meaning all of your orders across all of your brands, across all of your marketplaces. The SKU list, the consolidated SKU list would be the fourth option, consolidated picking list, no images. So this would be a SKU list of all of your orders across all of your marketplaces, across all of your brands. And the consolidated Excel would be the first two options here. So this would be an Excel file with all of your orders across all of your marketplaces, across all of your brands. Now, if you wanted to filter your pick lists by brand or by marketplace, here's how to do it. So let's say I want to download only my Shopee orders. So I would come to my Shopee area here, select bulk select all of the orders, or select the desired orders that I want to download from my pick list. Under bulk actions, click on generate pick list for selected, and you now have three formats that you can choose from. You can either generate the SKU list for the desired items, which would be the first option. The second option would be the image list for the desired orders, and the third option would be the downloadable Excel for the desired orders. And once you've done that, you can then go ahead and repeat that for your Q10 and your Lazada.